Ayy, you straight, bro? Nah, fool. Niggas been thinking about a lot of shit lately. You could talk to me, bro. You know I got you. Man, niggas be on bullshit. You sure I could talk to you about this? Yeah, bro. It's GDC shit. You know what the fuck we on? Alright, bro. You right. It's GDC for life, nigga. Fuck these niggas. I'ma say it like this.
It's Lil Jaye,
got this
nigga.
shit on my mind every day and I ain't giving up.
Niggas is shit out of luck.
Shoulda kept it a buck. He got us some shit he can't handle, and now he feeling like he stuck. I can't fuck with fake love. One day you hanging with ops, and the next you try fucking with us. Leave your ass in the dust. You lie to me once, then it's up. Now I know I can't give you my trust. Really chasing a dream, got a few on my team. Never folded, I swear that I never could leave. We gon' get our bands right. Wanna change someone life. Got that shit on our own, had a few sleepless nights. Know these niggas ain't right, make it dark when it's light. And this fucking fit twice, know they'll try to take my life. Leave these bitches behind in the way of the grind. If it ain't about a dime, don't you ask for my time. We a fam, everybody the man. And we all some big dogs, we gon' stick to the plan. We gon' make us the bosses, we taking no losses. We live and we learn, just waiting for our turn. Smoking gas help me think, been going through some things. But it's never too much, can't give up, I'm a king. Come and kick it with me, I can show you some things. And my niggas built different, know what trying me. Got this shit on my mind every day and I ain't giving up. You niggas is shit out of luck. Shoulda kept it a buck. He got him some shit he can't handle with, now he feeling like he stuck. I can't fuck with fake love. One day you hanging with ops and the next you try fucking with us. Leave your ass in the dust. You lie to me once and it's up, now I know I can't give you my trust.
He stuck in our dust, said that he beefing with us. These niggas is bitches no more, I don't trust. Getting the guap, so the guy that's a must. We working real hard but ain't getting no love. I shine through the night so we rising above. Telling my mother we moving up good. That's how I raised you, growing up good. You running up to it and that's how you should. I'm missing my father, ain't seeing my pops. Been living through hell since that day he got locked. Been starving and struggling, needing the guap. I'm serving the pressure, can't get you a pop. Since I got hurt, ain't been feeling the shock. Stuck to the end, what I got, I can't stop. Revving and guess while I smoke me a dot. Ain't for the top, it's as straight as a shot.
Feel me, bro? These niggas not on what we on, bruh. We grindin', we gon' get there. Fuck these niggas. Straight up. Yeah, I feel you, bro. We are going through shit, we can't let that stop us. Fuck these niggas. You Lil Jaye, it's MacaDon. We been on top, nigga, who could stop us? I'm just tired of all these niggas talking shit. When we up there, nigga, suck our dick.
If he running his mouth, no, it's just for some clout. And these niggas is bitches, we see what y'all bout. I don't talk with a mouse and the net, bring the bitch and out. I know the mission, put my mom in a big house. Got a dream, I want chase, getting money a must. And I learned a lesson in the bitch I can't trust. She feeling her lust, put some dick in her butt. Not a soul I could trust, but I'm still showing love.
These bitches, they special, they love you, they not. I'm tired of fussing, ain't part of my plot. I know I don't help, I just keep fucking up. My feelings fall short and we starting to ride. I don't got a plan, what the fuck I'ma do? All that I know, I'm addicted to you. You not gonna win, so baby, you choose. You sticking with me or going do you, damn. MacaDon, bitch. GGC shit.